Well, back at it again, and it's gone from bad to worse. You can see up here, it's obliterated. It's all completely gone. That's above the window, of course. This wood right here is this piece, this piece, this piece, all the way across. I have these two pieces already made, so I can do the frame again. I think I'm going to replace the wall. I think it's too far gone. See, the wall isn't really attached to anything. It's hot garbage. Up there in the top, the roof wood is just garbage. It's just gone. So somebody tried to scab in down here. So we're just de-skinning right now so we can get a little better ascertain how bad it is. I think I'm going to replace these corners too, each one of these corners. They look pretty rough. So, no, this is the next day. Still tearing apart stuff. Got the ceiling pulled because there was a shelf up there that's pulled. This paneling, this is pulled. Look at that, that's amazing. You get the light, you see a sunlight. Looks like somebody tried to do some rafters, but clearly that spot right there, not good, all broken loose. I'll show you from the other side. Alright, so this is the inside from the front. You can see that there was some sort of steel roof structure. I'm betting it's bowed. What has me puzzled is, see, there's this layer of wood here. We have this layer here, and then this layer, and then this layer. I'm not sure why there's so many layers. So I'm trying to do some research on it. Well, I'm back at it from another day. I made the aluminum around the door here. I think I'm just going to cut this off. Originally I was going to cut this out so it said welcome in metal. And I don't know if I have the tooling to do that. The door is on now, and new screws, new putty tape, everything. I gotta put the piece in there. All the wood on the bottom is fine, and the wood on the sides there is fine. So this stuff is ready to be clipped off, trim up the putty tape, and this should be okay. So it should be pretty good. The front's the next big section. I'm hoping I can beat the rain. This section here is real bad. I have a new piece for both sides for here, from this point, actually from here all the way up to the front, to hold everything. And I made it out of poplar, so it'll take a lot of abuse, a lot of weight. So still working on all that stuff. Okay, so I thought I'd show this. This is the front window frame for the front of the Wolverine camper. This is for the window frame itself. So this is how I rebuilt it. It's the same dimension, 3/4 by 1.5. And then I did a half lap joint, waterproof glue. We used waterproof Type Bond, a screw to hold it all together. It's straight and square. Everything's pretty good. And then after this, This piece will become, we'll paint it in shellac, we'll shellac it, and then it'll go on the camper.